Nederlandse professionals, Nederlandse managers. If you're going to speak English today, I want you to stop what you're doing and listen to me. Because I'm going to help you stop making the one mistake that almost every Dutch speaker makes when they're speaking English. Stay tuned to find out how.
So what's this mistake I'm talking about? Well, if you're a Dutch speaker, chances are very good that you use the ing form when you don't need it. In English, we use the ing form primarily to talk about something we're doing at that very moment. For example, I'm speaking to you right now, and you're listening to me right now. As a Dutch person, you put that ing where you don't need it. You put it onto a permanent situation or a truth or a fact, and you don't need it there. For example, a lot of Dutch-speaking people say this: I'm living in Utrecht, when they live in Utrecht. It's a permanent situation. Or they say, I'm working at the bank, when what they really need to say is, I work at the bank. So, to summarize, focus on using the ing form only when you're talking about it at that very moment. For example, I'm speaking to you and you're listening to me.